wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, guys? In this video, I'm actually on the hunt for some topsoil. Now, I'm inside my community and my plan was to actually go thief some topsoil from somebody's yard, right? Well, not really thief the topsoil, but I was actually driving around looking for any house that was doing construction. You know, when they dig out the foundation and stuff, I was planning on asking one of the workmen for some dirt, basically. All right. But then I remember that we had this development that was going on right beside our community, you know, so I actually drove around there and decided that, you know, I'm gonna just take some of the dirt from there because not because you see on the sides of grass and all of that right now. Like a couple weeks ago it was just pure dirt, just because we got some rain, so that's why, because they dump up all of this with topsoil, guys, all of this just because we got some rain. This is why you see on the sides and stuff have the green grass growing up and all of that. All right, so yeah, there's the development I'm telling you about. It's a gated community and it's located, one of the entrances is located inside my community. Yeah, so my community is gated as well too, and this entrance located inside my community. All right, yeah, some kind of mix up, right? But I have videos on that, so you can probably go check out them. All right, yeah, so anyways, now guys, I'm actually driving about looking for an area. I'm actually looking from side to side right here, looking for an area where you can see, you know, some dirt. And yeah, because I didn't really want to have to dig up the grass and all of that and then get the dirt from there. But then I saw this tree right up there on the left hand side, so I just decided that, you know what, I'm gonna take it from there, because at the root of the tree they actually, you know, had a whole heap of dirt right there, and you know, no grass hadn't grown up around that as yet. So there I am taking out my shovel and all of that, you know, and then I'm taking out my pots and all of that, and yeah, and all of that, yeah. Guys, me there in my yard, me there in my little work clothes and so don't judge my shirt. A paint mark up on the back of it, zin? Don't judge my shirt. Anyways, so yeah, so me I go and do my thing, and you know, me I look around still and I say, I wonder if the dirt are the right dirt and all of that. Me there I try to figure out, you see me? So finally make up my mind now and decide, say, hey, me I go use that dirt here, so you know, me I make sure the pot not have no bag of foreign matter, foreign object, you know, and then say, yeah, alright, I can start it, you know. So I go and do my thing, and you know, yeah, you know, I try to find the best part of the dirt, and you know, yeah, I know me that look for still, but I just there, yeah, I go and do my thing, yeah, man. Alright, so yeah, I do my thing. Alright people, so I'm basically almost done full up my pot them now. Just the last pot here alone left for full up. And yeah, I did almost a full it up. I wonder why give me a circle around me before she grab the shovel and come help me too. You see me a joke, but yeah, so I'm almost done full them up, guys. Almost done full them up. And then right about now, I decide to hear what the pot them full, so I can just struggle with that one here. Go for the car, yeah, put it down and say, alright, if I put it in the trunk, then I walk come back, me show give me some cow doodoo, and I tell her, I say, yo, good fertilizer that's actually what we should have put at the root of the plants them to make them grow more better, you see me? But yeah. So here I am editing this video and looking at myself and saying, oh my god, I'm so big and fat, I need to lose some weight. But anyways, there I am trying to get the last two pots in the back of the car, just there, making sure that I place them down flat so that they don't turn over while I'm driving back home. Now there we go, put the shovel back in, and I'm like, hey Kimmy, let's go. So on my way back to my house I go. All right. Alright, so now I'm actually back home and I'm just using the broom to sweep away a little debris from right there on that concrete area. Alright guys, so here I am throwing out most of the dirt from the pot so that I can use back the original soil inside this new pot here. All right, and by the way, the name of this plant is called ZZ. You can go ahead and Google it and you'll see the benefits of having this plant around your house. All right, so I'm actually just squishing the pot together just to sort of loosen up the dirt, you know, because what I really want to do is to just take it out as is and then just rest it inside the new pot. So trying my best to get it all loosed up and all that, you know, it's proving to be a little bit more difficult than I thought. So I'm like, okay, there we go. Let me just take my time, take it out. Yeah, and by the way guys, do remember to click like on this video, right? Because as I said, this is not like your regular video that you would normally get, but I'm just showing you guys that a guy has skills, right? Yeah, big up to my parents, you know. Yeah, from fixing a leak around the house to actually planting some flowers, a guy has skills. All right, so anyways, and there we go. We just putting the plant inside the pot, making sure that it's level. Oh, and I'm taking off some of the stuff. They had some stuff inside there, like a little bit of foam or whatever they had in there in the old pot. But anyways, I got it leveled out now and everything. So I'm like filling it up back now with the dirt, and I'm like, yeah, taking my time, making sure everything is all even, you know. Yeah, and just going around making sure every side gets some dirt and it's not uneven inside there. So yeah, there we go. So I'm basically done with the ZZ plant. Now it's time to move to the next one. Now this plant here is called a snake plant. Now this is a really good plant to have around your house as well. You can also have this inside the house because it lets out oxygen, guys. Like at nighttime it releases oxygen. Like it's really good, guys. It's an air purifier as well. All right, so there I am doing the same thing to this plant as well, squishing it up, trying to loosen the dirt and all of that stuff. Yeah, and basically looking at it, I was like, this plant, it has grown so much, like it sent up so much shoots, and I was like looking at it and say, I don't really need to put everything into this pot here, because one of the main reason of getting these repotted is to give it more space so that it can grow. All right, so I'm gonna take out like half of it and put the next half, let the other half stay in the old pot. So there I am putting it in this pot here, just making sure it's all even and all of that, and just trying to fill it up back with the dirt, you know, making sure everything is level. And at this point in the video, I just want to take the time out to big up everyone who's watching. Yo, big up on yourself, you understand? Yeah, mom, I really appreciate you. All right, and to the new viewers, just in case you're new to the channel, welcome. All right, my name is 876 by Bert. I do driving videos where I drive around Jamaica and I just chat, and from time to time I give you a little personal vlogs like these. All right, so bless up to everyone. And if you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you're watching this video so far in the video, you've not switched from the video or anything, please ensure that you click like on the video, all right? Because must be a reason you're watching for so long, right? All right, so anyways, now guys, this plant now here is called a peace lily, all right? And this peace lily, it can't really take direct sunlight. However, I've been bad to it because I had it outside. I try to put it in the shade, but it's outside. One of the main reasons I do that though is because I'm hardly here at this house here. I'm not really here often, and if I like leave it in the house, it's gonna die because inside the house gets really hot and humid when it's locked up, all right? So that's the reason for me keeping it outside in the shade. However, I'm trying to like bring it back, although it's not dead. Whenever it's been ill-treated, the leaves will look like how it's looking now, all right? Yeah, and there's a little bit of ants crawling out of it, you know. There, well, not a little bit, a lot of ants crawling out of it, all right? But as I said, I'm about to give this peace lily lots of love and lots of care, the love and the care that it deserves, all right? So guys, please forgive me of how it's looking, all right? But anyways, I'm doing the same thing, squishing it up, trying to get it out and all of that stuff. And as I said, it's a whole heap of ants coming out of it and all that stuff. But anyways, I'm putting it inside the new pot and yeah, giving it a new house and all of that stuff. And I'm adding a little bit more of the topsoil there, and then yeah. But as I said, I'm gonna once I get this plant settled down in this pot here, then I'll definitely be putting it inside the house. And once I put some water in it and stuff, the leaves will just pop right back. If any of you guys know about the peace lily, you know that that's how it is, all right? So there I am now, trying to add some water to these pots here just to make sure the dirt sets. Yeah guys, just to make sure the dirt sets perfectly inside the pot, I'm just adding the water. I know usually you don't water plants in the middle of the day and all that stuff. It's either like early morning or late at night. Well, that's what they say about plants here in Jamaica. I'm pretty sure you live somewhere else, you water your damn plants any time of the day, right? But yeah, anyways. Yeah, so I'm just adding the water there just to make sure, you know, the dirt, like everything gets wet and then it can set. When I say set, I mean like it can come together, all right? So yeah, and as I said guys, click like on the channel, right? I bet you never know that 876 by Bergs got these skills. Yeah, I told you, you see me, 100% man. Not because they see me I do this, 100% man. If my pipe in the whole start leak, I definitely will fix it, all right? But anyways guys, the video is definitely gonna come to an end right about here. Thank you so much for watching, and don't know, big up on yourself.
Get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you in.